Hey guys, I want to show you some tips and tricks how you can design using ChatGPT. So in this scenario, we are gonna implement new feature for dataset page. So basically, I have this described here on this screen. So you can see all the details about the issue itself. I can give you the shortest version. So you can upload images without any issues right here into your dataset. But if you drop your already existing dataset which contains some other classes, they might match your existing classes, might not. So we need to handle it somehow and show it on the UI. So what I'm doing, I'm reading the issue itself, trying to figure out how exactly we can do this. Then we can go to ChatGPT and just basically prompt it. So what we need, let's capture the screenshot of this page like this, bring it to GPT, and just tell it that we need to implement a new feature. I'm using Mac Whisper, so it looks like this. Hey ChatGPT, I need to implement a dialog for our users who are dropping zip datasets, and those zip datasets have already some classes in it. And we need to show a dialog where users can actually map classes from this uploaded dataset to the existing ones. They need to have ability to select already existing class, create new class, or skip the class, and in this way all those annotations that are assigned to this class in uploaded dataset will be ignored. So I want you to draft a design with this dialog. So let's select create an image and just send it and see how it's working. Maybe it's not like the fastest model. Okay, it's still thinking. But what you can do, if you know specifically what you want to have in this solution, you can provide your unique comments about the UX, how everything should be. And in this way, model can consider actually some input from you. But maybe you can go with the first version, then iterate it even more and adjust your design based on the output. So let's see. Okay. So, and this is a new model from GPT. I would say it's quite cool in terms of UI generation. So you don't need to have Stitch, nothing like this. You just paste your existing design and a couple of comments and you get the new one. So what do you think? Is it working or not? But I think you got the idea. If this design fits you, so you can just copy it and add it with your comments to the task itself and call it a day. I hope it helps someone. Good luck with the design.